Step 2, sell the benefits, not the features. This one's classic mistake. No matter what it is we sell, we tend to want to just list out all the features. Features would be 8 hours of HD video content, 30 workbooks, 500 action steps, mobile access, or even a built-in online community when you join the course. All of those are just features. They're just like describing what you get. But a feature means nothing to anyone. It's what that feature can do for the person. It's what is the benefit of that feature. That's all that really matters. Even when people say they're looking for specific features, it's because there's a benefit to those features. So your job is to understand better than anybody else, what are the benefits of your product or service? Like, that doesn't matter. What matters is what results will they get when they apply the material in this course? Will they create a passive income business? Will they be able to work only 10 hours a week instead of 50? Will they be able to discover what their profitable business idea is? Will they be able to 2x their income without launching a new product or growing their audience? Like, what is the benefit? You probably know like the overarching, hopefully, main benefit of your product or service, but can you bullet out even more benefits? There's something that I learned from Brendan Bouchard that he recommended us business owners go through when we're outlining our product, especially in outlining phase. And it's really simple. It's like you come up with a list of 100 benefits your customer will receive after he or she purchases your product. And third and final step is make them an offer they can't refuse. You don't want to make them an offer that they're like, this might sound obvious. We're like, Graham, that's the whole point. Can you help me make offers or come up with offers they can't refuse? No, you come up with an offer they can't refuse. This isn't that hard. Let me break this down for you because there's 3 elements to making them an offer that they can't refuse. I wasn't going to leave you hanging. I wanted you to stress a little bit. No, I'm going to teach you how to do this. It's all about showing them that they would be silly to not take you up on this offer. And that there's a lot of ways to do this. Typically, what we assume the only way to make them an offer they can't refuse is to make them a super cheap offer. Tripwire product, blah, blah, blah. No, that's a way. There's 3 things you want to do. When it comes to price, you want to do what's called price anchoring. Another thing you need to do is show the true value. And the final thing you do to make them an offer they can't refuse is you take away all the risk.